Sir, is that Mr. Aparajit Ray?
Yes, that's correct.
Sir, I am a student at the New York University. I first watched your film, Pater Padavli, a couple of years back on television, but that was the dubbed version. But last night, I watched the whole trilogy, back to back, Playhouse Cinema in Manhattan, with proper subtitles and all. Sir, your films simply blew my mind.
Thank you very much. Thank you for taking the trouble of calling me all the way from New York and letting me know. It's very encouraging indeed.
আজকে মোদের বড়ই সুখের দিন, আজ ঘরের বাঁধন ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন। আজ ঘরের বাঁধন ছেড়ে মোরা হয়েছি স্বাধীন, আহা হয়েছি স্বাধীন।